of guilt. Number one is legal guilt. Legal guilt is the one that you know that you are guilty. Now many people just stop there. You see, if you are a child of God, you will know that legal guilt is overridden by the power of God's forgiveness. And that means that subjective guilt is also present. Trying to motivate him or herself and say, maybe if I didn't do that, this wouldn't have happened. You see, that is what Satan wants to do. He wants your mind to be trapped in the past because he can only work perfectly with the past. Constantly, he will tell you, you are useless. Call yourself a servant of God. Call yourself a child of God. Call yourself a blessed servant of God. And that's what he wants to do. And once he works with that, he keeps you trapped in your present, yet you are connected to your past, and you will never experience the future. You see, for you to move forward in the race that you are running, you need to strip yourself from living in the past.